Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the 401118 fuel blocks for our two-place airplanes. Now, we've been asked that we concentrate too much on the four-craft airplanes and we ignore the two-place. So today, this is only on the two-place airplanes. Now, the original blocks start out looking like this. It's just a casting, not machined at all. But once you take them in, you flatten the bottom, then you drill the two mounting holes for the AN3 hardware that goes through to connect these. Then you also put in a 1/8 inch pipe thread here for letting the fuel drain go in that sticks out the bottom of the wing, and then the inlet for the AN4 826 4D AN flare to 1/8 inch pipe thread fitting that goes in this hole. And this is what the diagram from the manual looks like. As you can see, there's a bracket that connects to the spar and allows the fuel to come out from the tank and the spar and concentrate on coming to this block right here where we have a fuel drain to take the sediment out of the tank. So this is what it looks like with the manual diagrams installed. So this is what a block looks like. It's all machined. This has been flattened, this has been flattened, and it's been drilled for mounting. And this is what they look like raw. But that's the mount, and we're going to show some pictures of it in the airplane, but not much to these. The worst thing that can happen to these is that if they are stressed, it is a light aluminum casting. I have seen them crack through here. I've never seen one crack on the bottom, but usually if they're going to leak, somebody over tightened and cracked the fitting here, and you'll need a new one of these. And so here's what the drain blocks look installed in the back of the wing near the inboard wing root rib. Kind of hard to get a camera in there, and they tend to get a little dirty, as you can see the dust and debris on these. But this is what they look like in the wing. Not much to them. It's just a block to take the drain line from the tank, turn it 90 degrees, going out the bottom of the wing so that you can have a drain to clean the water out of your fuel system. So again, this is what they look like in the wing. Fletcher has these, and not a problem. So we hope we found all this enjoy about the 401118 block, another hidden part that's only on the two-place. Thought you'd find this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.